Used car without service history. Is it can be wrong to buy a car without service history?
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. Used car without service history. It can be so, but nothing wrong. I think you have eyes, you can using your brain when you're buying used car without history. So probably nothing wrong to buy a car without history. And what they can writing on this service book, who knows what was happened in reality. They can writing that they changing, they using new parts, they changing this brake fluid in a lot of times. Can be so that they writing, yes, this work was done, we choose this stuff, we replace all fluids in the car, but in reality they was done nothing with car maintenance. So this is just papers, and you can't trust this car service history means sometimes means nothing, and this mileage. Who knows? Probably they replaced all this cluster with speedometer, odometer. Who knows what was done with car before you if you buying old car? Nobody can be insurance when he buying old car. Who knows what was done with this car? Probably more better to go and buy car with independent mechanic, not the mechanic from their dealerships when they offers you this old car which was from their clients which bought any new car and they want to selling this old crap. So you want to go with your mechanic, you trust this mechanic, so you go to buy a car with mechanic. So you don't care about their papers, their warranty, what they doing with car. Who knows? Probably they rebuilt the engine under the warranty and they paying them more or less for their mechanic when they're working under warranty. And I can trust them, so will be better to see the car. And when I was a young guy and I'm asked my friend mechanic, which I was familiar with, how I can buying car and what I can do. And he said me that you should watching all these things, but they can writing whatever they want. What that means, I don't know. So it will be better to go and to see the car and check the car with mechanic. This will be more worthy things. I decided to go when I bought car without any mechanics because I was trust myself, and I don't care in lot of cases about condition car because I can see what wrong. And thing is, you never guess what was done with car. Probably you can find these parts which was installed with uncertified mechanics. I don't know what can be pitfalls you find, hidden pitfalls you can realize what was wrong with car only after you buy this car, after this time when you buying this car, and probably popping out all these things which you can to see in this moment. So strange for me to find mechanic which will be familiar with this car and he want to say to this car more closely and find all these things which works not correctly in this car. Yes, you need this scan tool, these fancy tools. All the time they're using them for diagnosis, and you also can't guess. Even if you get all this data on this digital screen, you can't figure it what wrong with car inside. This can be with mechanical worn inside engine, and this was with not good quality parts. All this was built in factory not correctly. Engine was rebuilt under warranty. So who knows what was with car done by crappy guys? You never know when you buying used car. More better to check it as much as it more deeper as much it will be possible. Average car have service history, and where this service history is, probably mechanics never ever want to writing these moments when they screwed with these things. They can't confuse with spare parts. They don't want what crap they installing to the car, then they replacing this crap and then installing it again. But eventually, thing is that this was in good condition and probably another things was wrong. And you replacing oil under warranty. Yes, you know, in your service book, this should be pointed when you go to maintenance. You're replacing this stuff under warranty. But thing is, more better to find brands which will be more reliable, like Toyotas, you know, if you have money, a lot of money, you know, 50, 40 grand. But yes, you can buy old car, 50 years old car, which in good condition with low mileage. But yes, as I said earlier, they can be put fake speedometers, odometers, and you can't realize completely which mileage was in this car. Yes, you can find indirectly listings of worn car with high mileage, you know, seats can be worn, edges of seats can be worn, and pedal pads can be worn, steering wheel can be worn, seat belts can be worn, and shifter handle of shifter can be worn, door handles little bit worn. Yes, these indirect listings can tell you where car was used, and you know, and any defects, obvious defects, you know, these headlights can be with small pitfalls on the glass, but that means that they riding around on highway, nothing wrong, and little bit rusty on arches, also nothing wrong. You want to see frame condition, if frame in good condition, nothing wrong, a little bit rusty, probably it working a lot of period of time after that. But thing is, if you have opportunity, will be better to find car from south, not from the north. When they using salt on the road, nothing wrong if you want to find car without service history. I think I'm always find this car without service history. Who gives a crap? 50 years old car without service history in my case. Not so old cars you want to buy.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing. Now, if you really like my videos, please share it with your friends.